Make your own cooking gas leak detector alarm. Ideally, every kitchen using LPG should have a gas leak alarm to avoid a potentially dangerous fire accident, especially where aged people are living alone. People with weak memory handle the kitchen. People get distracted frequently, infant calls, SOS calls from the sick in the family, phone calls. People sometimes may ignore boiling liquids, especially milk, which might boil over and quench the flame, causing a silent gas leak. An unnoticed leak in the rubber hose or faulty gas knobs leads to the accumulation of leaked gas on the platform, or gas leaks that occur due to an unexpected cause. The gas detector can sense even a nominal gas leak to alert the household through an alarm. To make the gas leak alarm, we need 1. A solid-state gas sensor board, FC22. 2. A 5 volts DC power supply, any mobile charger. 3. A small plastic case. 4. A switch. 5. An intermittent sounding beeper. 6. 2 resistors, 1K, green-red LEDs, pieces of small wire. 7. 25-watt soldering iron and lead. 1. Fix the switch and red and green LEDs on the cover of the box. 2. Make a small opening at the bottom of the cover for gas to reach the sensor board. 3. Fix the gas sensor board on the base of the box close to the opening. 4. Fix the beeper on the side of the base. 5. Make a hole on the cover for the charger cable. And connect wires as shown in the diagram. Connection diagram for the gas leak detector. Component layout in the plastic housing box. After connecting the wires as per the diagram, plug in the unit. The unit will beep for a minute while initializing. Place the box on a wall just above the gas burner or stove level. Wear a mask, and open the gas knob without lighting the flame, and allow gas to flow out. In less than 15 seconds, the unit will sense the gas leak and raise alarm. Close the gas knob. Use switch to reset the alarm. The sensitivity of the unit, that is the distance from the hob and amount of gas leak permissible, can be adjusted, through turning a potentiometer on the sensor board, to avoid false triggering when attempting to light the stove, e.g. with a defective lighter. As the unit consumes very little current, it may be left turned on till the cylinder regulator is closed. This video is made for informational purposes for people with some technical background. The information given in the video is accurate to the best of my knowledge. Persons who choose to act based on this shall be doing so on their own risk and responsibility for every kind of consequence arising out of their actions, and I do not assume any responsibility whatsoever in this regard. Thanks for watching this video.